Hello everybody, my name is Tyron Hooper and I'm presenting photosynthesis versus solar panels by me. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create oxygen and energy in the form of sugar. As you can see, the plant, my apologies about that. As you can see that the plant is absorbing the water which is going up to the root of the leaf of the plant, which is causing it to make the carbohydrates from the light of the sun. And then from that, the oxygen is coming out from the leaf of the plant, making it a complete photosynthesis. What are solar panels? Solar panels are a device that is used to collect solar energy, for example, sunlight. In addition, the sunlight ray that hits the solar panels is then used to convert an electric current. So this means that you don't have to use a plug-in, what you normally use to get the electrical current in order to start an object. What are the similarities for both photosynthesis and also solar panels? That's a good question. So what we know of both solar panels and photosynthesis from plants is that they are both require energy from the sun in order to function and do their job function correctly. Secondly, without the sun's energy, the solar panel and also the plant photosynthesis can't not function properly. In the article, the USCB Science Line, it says that so the plant might grow a bit in the dark without photosynthesis from stored reserves and might continue to survive for a couple of weeks or more without growing. But in long term, the plant will not be able to grow or live without photosynthesis and would eventually die. So pretty much what they're saying is the very first top part that I mentioned is the similarities, and without the sunlight ray or any type of form of light, uh, the plants nor the solar panel will function correctly. Without the solar panel, without the sunlight, there's no power. Without the sunlight from the photosynthesis from the plant that's used to function to make the plant survive, the plant will eventually lose its willpower and it will die because it will not have the energy from the sun. Which one is more efficient? The solar panel will be more efficient. The fact that once the solar energy hits the panel, then it will power. So what that means is pretty much the solar panel does not need to be alive in order for it to turn on. So all it needs is just the sunlight to hit the panel itself for it to actually start working. On the other hand, for the plant, which does need to survive from the photosunlight, that's how photosynthesis is started because that's how the energy, that's how it gets its form of nutrients from the sun and also with the water, carbon dioxide, and oxygen as well. On the other hand, the article MSU Today states that plants are less efficient at capturing the energy in the sunlight than solar cells, mostly because they have too much evolutionary baggage. Plants have to power a living thing, whereas solar cells only have to send electrical down to a wire. And here's my references for the information that I have got from each and every one of the photos that you're seeing, and I hope y'all enjoy.